Hello everyone, today in this video I will talk about logic functions in which our first topic is Boolean algebra, or we can say that switching algebra. So our first point is basic element of Boolean algebra is Boolean variable, and the Boolean variable belongs to the set 0, 1, and the operators used are AND, which means dot, OR, which means plus, and NOT, which means complement. So we will move forward to the next slide. Then we will see basic principle of Boolean algebra, or we can say that switching algebra. So our first principle is idempotency. So in this principle, we perform same variable operation. We can see that we have a Boolean variable a which belongs to the set 0, 1 performing AND operation on same variable. So if we see that they are same variable is equals to a, then if we know the explanation of why it is a dot a is equal to a is coming, then if we see, if we put the value a0 is equal to, why are putting a0? Because a Boolean variable belongs to the set 0, 1. We can put 0 or 1. So if we put 0 dot 0, we will get 0. If we put 1 dot 1, we will get 1. So what we will giving the variable, the same variable we are getting. A dot a is equals to a, 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, 1 dot 1 is equals to 1. Same here, if we see OR operation, a plus a, if we put 0 plus 0, we will get 0. If we put 1 plus 1, we will get 1. Same variable we are getting. So we will write a in the RHS. If we see a plus 1 is equal to 1, so if we put a is equals to 0, then 0 plus 1, what we will get? 1. If we put 1, a is equals to 1, what we will get? 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Same if we apply operation a plus 1, then if we put 0 or 1, we will get only 1. So a plus 1 is equals to 1. Same here, a dot 0 is equal to 0. If we put a 0, then 0 dot is equal to 0, 0. 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. Same this expression, a plus 0 is equals to a. If we put 0, we will get 0. If we put 1, we will get 1. Same variable, if we are putting same value, we will get same a value. A plus 0 is equal to 0 and 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Same variable value. Then we will see a dot 1 is equals to a. We will see if 0 dot 1 is equals to 0, then 1 dot 1 is equals to 1. Same variable we are getting. What we are putting on the a value, we are getting. So a dot 1 is equals to a. So we will move forward to the second principle, commutativity. We will see what commutativity means. If we have two variables with a and b which belongs to the set 0, 1, if we apply OR operation, if we apply OR operation on a and a or b, a plus b, then if we apply OR operation just like reversing the variables b plus a, we will get same result. If we see the example, so if we take truth table, then we will understand very clearly. Then if it is two variable, then the values of 0 and 1 is likely to be 2 की power n. Then if we have two variables, then 2 की power 2, we will have 4, 0 and 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, wait a second, 0, 0, not a 0, we will put it as 1, yes, 1 0 1. If we see the value of a plus b, then we will see 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1 1 1. If we see the value of b plus a, then we will see 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1. So we will getting the same value the a plus b is getting and b plus a is getting. This is what commutativity. If we see the same as AND operation, we will get the same as if we reverse the variables b dot a. Now our third principle is complementation. So complementation means we are reversing the bits. If we get 0 1, then the complement of 0 is 1, and if we get 1, then the complement of 1 is 0. If we see this expression a plus a bar is equals to 1, we will see with this example. If we draw the truth table, a complement means a dash, then we will see, and this is a single variable, which means 2 की power 1. We will have two values of 0 1, 0 and 1, and complement is 0 complement is 1 and 1 complement is 0. If we a plus a complement, then we will get 0 plus 1 1 and 1 plus 0 1. So if we apply a plus a complement, we will get only 1. So the result is 1. If we apply a dot a complement, then we will get 0 0. So the value is 0. Hope you understand this. We will see next property or principle. So distributivity, our next principle. So what it says, if we have a in under bracket b plus c, we will multiply internal. We will multiply with a, just like a into b plus a into c, ab plus ac. If we have a plus bc, then we will distribute it a to b, then into a to c. This is distributed. In the first, this is a into b distributed plus a into c distributed, like that. Then we will see our next property, associativity. Associativity is this. If we associative means changing the brackets, the sides brackets. Then if we see the LHS side, a plus b is one side bracket plus c is equal to RHS. If we put a first plus b plus c, this is called right associativity, and this is called left associativity, because this is left, because left is associating and this is right associating. If we see the AND example, then a dot b bracket left associated c is equals to a bracket right associated bc. Then we will see next principle, our last principle, principle of duality. What it means? It means if we have dot any in this expression, we will change into plus. If we have plus, we will change into dot. If we have 0, we will change into 1. If we have 1, we will change into 0. In this all principles, if we see that it all principles, idempotency, commutativity, complementation, distributivity, associativity, all follows principle of duality. We see why it follows and how it follows. If we see the idempotency, Then if we see a dot a, then if we see the second expression, then this dot is converted to plus, which means this expressions are dual. If we see next expression, next third and fourth expression, then we will see this plus is converted to dot, and 1 is converted to 0, and 1 is converted to 0. This is also dual. This is principle of duality, it follows. Then if we'll see a plus 0 equals to a, then plus is converted to dot, 0 is converted to 1. Then it is dual. If we see commutativity, if we see a plus b is equals to b plus a, then this plus is converted to dot and this plus is converted to dot. Then complementation, this plus is converted to dot and this one is converted to 0. And that distributivity, then this here is dot, a dot b plus c, then this dot is converted to plus and this plus is converted to dot. Then this ab is a dot b is converted to a plus b, and this plus is converted to dot, and a dot c is converted to a plus c, which means OR operation. And associativity means in this a plus b plus c is equals to a plus right associated b plus c, then this plus is converted to dot and this plus is converted to dot and this plus is converted to dot and this plus is converted to dot. This means this all principle follows the principle of duality. So in this video what we have seen, logical functions, we will cover, it is a topic, we will cover more topics in this. Then if our first topic which I today cover is Boolean algebra, in which we'll see the basic element of Boolean algebra is Boolean variable, and Boolean variable belongs to the set 0, 1, and the operator used here and or not. And these are the principles we have seen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 principle we have seen. So that's all in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please give your valuable comments to this video. Thank you.